Subscribe to Jeevan Tech and press the bell icon button for the latest video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in the Jio Tech, today's video is about how to increase your Jio internet speed. So guys, let's begin.
Audio Jungle.
So in this video I will be suggesting two things, which is a mobile thing, for example this mobile, and second thing is about and Jio 5. So I'll take the two devices in the speed test. So guys, let's begin in that video.
So we should go to your settings first and SIM cards and mobile networks and Jio 4G and access point name. So click on the access point name and go to new APN and set as a name as Jio Internet because we are using Jio itself. So Jio Internet. So we can go to type super fast internet in the APN column. So super fast net. So you should go down below and the barrier you should keep it as a, and it's given unspecified, you should turn as a LTE because Jio has only 4G network. And switch over to Jio Internet APN. Suddenly everything crashes and will come after 2 more seconds. We come back to VoLTE. As you can see, I'm checking the speeds of net velocity and the frequency level is showing around 2300 megahertz. So response time will take somewhat time. I guess will take depending on our area. So I'm getting the speed is around 11.80 and 90 Mbps, but it's in the notification bar is showing 15 Mbps. But in terms of upload speed, we are weak and around the area. So it shows in the notification bar around 48 kbps in my device itself. So as you can see, we are going to test with the Jio 5.4. So in the PC, we should go to turn off the Wi-Fi settings, which are given the Jio 5 and user ID password. So as you can see, shown the Jio 5, the top side is about my home Wi-Fi network. So you should go to your Chrome browser or Chrome or Mozilla or Internet Explorer. So type the IP address which is given on the screen, or my IP address is 192.168.225.1 because it Jio 5.4 has this IP address. Others are common thing 192.168.1.1. So everything is common. Administrator password as well. So you should click on OK and go to settings first and go to LTE option and given automatic, keep it as a manual. So it's given the APN as JioNet and change it over the super fast internet. Super fast net. So apply it. It will take few seconds to that the Jio 5 will restart. It will take somewhat time. As you can see, the Wi-Fi signal has been lost. So if I click on the Jio 5 came and click on connect, will come somewhat speed little bit improvement on my system itself. Due to my inside I want check it, we can go to outside of my phone itself. So let's check the speed of this thing. So as you can see, it is the response time is around 24 meter per second. I don't know the meter per second ms. So please comment down below. As you can see, showing around what happened? It's showing around 32-40 Mbps per second, a little bit improvement on my device, which before was around 14 to 11.90 Mbps, but they're quite good in the speed in terms of speed, I guess. So in terms of upload speed, I don't know, maybe weak, yeah, around 45 to 1 Mbps, I guess. and even I'm not getting the upload speed currently also in my area. So in Jio
itself. So guys, make sure like this video, make sure comment and subscribe to our channel, and see you next video. Bye.